Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about something that could literally lift your career to new heights. Whether you're intrigued by the roar of jet engines, fascinated by the orchestration of air traffic control, or enthused by aircraft engineering, the aviation industry offers all sorts of exciting opportunities. Let's navigate together through 10 practical steps to launch your career in aviation, covering both airborne and ground roles. Step 1. Explore aviation careers. To begin with, explore the vast range of roles available in aviation. Beyond the cockpit, careers range from aerospace engineering to flight operations, and from airport management to air traffic control. Each role contributes uniquely to the aviation tapestry. Spend some time researching different positions to see what sparks your interest and matches your skills and passions. I've made videos about some of the roles, so explore my channel for these and see if any spark your interest. Step 2. Educational pathways. Different aviation careers require different educational paths. While pilots need flight training, aerospace engineers often require a degree in aerospace engineering or a related field. Similarly, air traffic controllers undergo specific training programs and certifications. Identify the educational requirements for your chosen career path and look into the courses available at universities, colleges, and training academies. Step 3. Gain relevant experience. Experience is vital, whether through internships, part-time jobs, or volunteer positions. For instance, working at an airport in any capacity can provide invaluable insights and networking opportunities in the aviation industry. Seek opportunities that offer hands-on experience and help build a foundational understanding of how the industry operates. A part-time job at a local airfield or volunteering for an aviation charity would provide valuable experience and contacts. Step 4. Obtain necessary certifications. Depending on your chosen career path, certain certifications may be necessary. Pilots require flight training from a private pilot's license all the way through to a commercial pilot's license and an ATPL, Air Transport Pilot's License. Flight attendants are given training by the airlines that hire them, although there is some training available from third parties before they are hired. Mechanics need specific certifications to work on aircraft, and air traffic controllers must pass rigorous testing to ensure they can manage air traffic. Research and pursue the certifications required for your career choice. Step 5. Networking in aviation. Building a network within the aviation industry can dramatically enhance your career prospects. Attend industry conferences, join aviation groups, and connect with professionals on platforms like LinkedIn. Engaging with the community not only helps in learning from the experience of others, but can also open doors to potential job opportunities. Step 6. Stay updated with industry trends. The aviation sector is continually evolving due to technological advancements and regulatory changes. Staying informed about these trends is important for anyone aspiring to have a long and successful career in aviation. Regularly read industry publications, follow relevant news sites, and participate in webinars and workshops. This knowledge not only keeps you updated, but can also make you a more attractive candidate when applying for jobs. Step 7. Enhance your skill set. As you progress in your understanding of the aviation industry, it's important to enhance your skill set accordingly. For example, if you are interested in airport operations, skills in project management and logistics can be very beneficial. For those looking into air traffic control, sharp reflexes and effective communication are the mental muscles you need to develop. tailor your learning and training to develop the specific skills needed for your chosen career path. Step 8. Apply for internships or entry-level positions. As I said before, practical experience is invaluable, so apply for internships or entry-level positions that can give you a foot in the door. Even roles that may not directly align with your ultimate career goal can provide useful industry exposure and professional networking opportunities. These initial roles are stepping stones that build experience, credibility, and potentially lead to more specialized positions. Step 9. Professional membership and certifications. Joining professional organizations is an excellent way to gain credibility in the aviation field. Many of these organizations offer resources of professional development, certification programs, and networking events that are exclusive to members. These resources can be instrumental in building a professional identity and gain recognition in your field. Membership can also give you access to private professional groups on social media. These groups contain members who will be valuable in your professional network. Step 10. Continuous professional development. Finally, commit to continuous professional development. The aviation industry values individuals who are proactive about their learning and career progression. Attend seminars, take additional courses, and seek mentorship within the industry. Regularly updating your skills and knowledge not only enhances your professional profile, but also prepares you for upcoming advancements and opportunities in your career. Conclusion. In conclusion, launching a career in aviation requires dedication, strategic planning, and a yearning for the skies and air traffic. From understanding the broad spectrum of roles available to acquiring the necessary education, certifications, and experience, each step you take should be aimed at building a robust foundation for your future. Remember, whether you choose to work in the air or on the ground, your contributions will be part of what makes global aviation function smoothly and safely. Aviation is not just about flying high, it's about connecting people, cultures, and businesses across the world. By following these 10 steps, you're not only preparing for a fulfilling career, but also becoming a part of a vital global network. Keep pushing forward, stay resilient, and never stop learning. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and for more insights into making your professional dreams take flight.